Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can align a text in Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank image template, right? So first of all we are going to change the color of the template. So I have selected this template and now I'm going to click on the color palette option available above, and here you can choose any color you want. Okay, for example I have chosen this color. Now I'm going to select the text and then heading or subheading, whatever you want. So I'm going to select the subheading, and here we can simply type whatever the text content you want in your image, right? For example, I'm just writing digital Bikana loves their viewers, but they have yet not subscribe. So subscribe our channel now. Okay, now let me put this text over here, and as you can see this text is right now center aligned, right? So here I'm going to click on the alignment, and when I click on the alignment it gets left aligned, and when again I click on the alignment it's get this kind, and then again alignment it gets in right. So in this manner you can simply change the alignment of a text in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.